Welcome to Marvel's Avengers video game. So like I said before, look at all these missions I have. Right. We have the Nick Fury and then the Winter Soldier, brand new character, which by the way is for free. The only thing is that the skins and the cosmetics you have to spend real money. The Mighty J. Foster. And then the War of Wakanda. I think that's like the side mission. I can't do that yet because I'm such a, like, all my heroes are not even that strong and I gotta keep playing the game. I wanted to go to do more training, but I couldn't. So, and this is all the events right here from the Red Room. So maybe later on, as time goes by, we can do more things.
Still can't believe they found this thing. Miss you, buddy.
Captain America. So we're gonna do some Tony Stark stuff. Repairs.
Held together by spit and baling wire. Good thing I'm here to fix this place up.
And needs a big ol' I just did all this loot already here. I just wanted to get some character, you know, have him to speak a little bit, let him talk. It's over here. Come on, open.
Jarvis, Papa's home. You can remove the child lock on the tech lab.
Apologies, sir. It's out of my proverbial hands as Master Bruce is busy with some rewiring.
Master Bruce? Don't call him that. Just call him Bruce Banner. Don't call him Master Bruce. Don't do that. Don't. Just don't.
Do I want to know what's going on here?
Hey, Tony. Just lending my, technical knowledge to Bruce here.
Well, I can see I have my work cut out for me. Not helping, Tony.
So, I guess I'll just do my own thing. Jarvis, entered the code of shock Bruce. Bruce. I'm just joking, don't shock him. I was just joking. We can just maybe a little.
Sir, in case you were wondering, your old room is still intact.
Still intact, meaning my old stuff, my old armor. See if I could get something else. I don't want to use the other.
I'm Phil Sheldon reporting live from somewhere in rural Utah. Where are we again? I don't. Oh, I'm live. Okay. Following AIM's emergency public warning today, I can confirm that Iron Man and the Hulk were seen together in a remote area of Utah, apparently resisting arrest by local authorities. Meanwhile, on the East Coast, a small crowd gathered in New Jersey's Heroes Park to celebrate their reappearance after more than 4 years, but they were quickly dispersed by police. An AIM spokeswoman called any celebration pre-A-Day thinking and cautioned that Iron Man and the Hulk have shown alarming signs of mental instability in recent years. We've all seen what can happen when beings with this kind of power operate outside the law, and that's what they're doing now, she warned. We won't risk the loss of any more American cities, end quote.
Ah, the old commissary.
About the whereabouts of any former Avengers, they are asked to contact an AIM call center immediately.
And that was the news. How exciting.
Wait, wasn't this working before?
Get ready for me to mash some random buttons just to do some...
Okay, Jarvis, time me.
1.04 seconds, sir.
Huh, guess I'm a bit rusty. Jarvis, pop question. Where do we keep the spark plugs?
The initiator cores can be found in the far corner of the lower deck, sir.
Correct, Amundo.
Do I win a prize now, sir?
You win the biggest prize of all, my affection.
How exciting.
That's not even a prize at all. Give Jarvis maybe a slingshot. Who knows? Give him something. I don't know. I don't know how he's gonna play with it, but give him Space Invaders. Install Space Invaders into his mainframe so he can play something, so you don't get bored while I'm doing all of this. Wow, that's cool. The RV is here, the van. Just gonna take all the loot here. I'll check it out later, not right now.
Oh yeah, that looks perfectly up to safety standards.
There's nowhere else I can go. If I did miss anything, there's no way going back. I did miss something up those stairs. How did I miss something? Let me check the plane over here. I want to check everything, make sure I don't forget nothing. Look at this. I would have missed this. Found a collectible. By the way, no buttons work at all here. The only button works is just like sprinting. And the only reason why I had to check all this loot and make sure I don't go and progress during the story, I'm gonna miss it and I will never get the chance to go back. Maybe there is a way to go back, but sometimes you gotta be like, hey, you know what? I'm like the type of person just like don't want to skip and miss those anything. Stop the video. Thanks for watching.